It's important to realise in statistics that words can have very specific meanings. So when we talk about populations and samples, you need to know the definitions of those words so you understand what their context is in the questions, which we're going to be covering today. A population is a set of things, which can be people, that you're studying. A sample is a subset of that population. So population is everything, a sample is a bit of it. Let's go through these questions on populations and samples. We're told that Dave sells chocolate bars in the UK and he wants to find out how much people like them. We need to state one reason he should not use a census. Now, a census would involve asking everyone in the population, which would be everyone in the UK. So a census would be time consuming or a census would be expensive. We're told that Dave asked 3 people whether they like his chocolate bar and they all like it. We're asked to suggest how we could improve his sample. Whenever we're asked to suggest how we can improve a sample, almost all of the time it's asking more people. The more people you ask in a sample, the more reliable your results. And I would suggest 3 people is probably not enough. In this question, we're asked to identify the sampling frame and the sampling units. A sampling unit is each item or person in the sample, and a sampling frame is the list of the sampling units. So the sampling item in this instance is the person in the UK, and the sampling frame is the list of people in the UK. To finish up this topic, try and think of an example when a census would be required rather than a sample. If you can think of an example, write it in the comments below. And you can find more from us by coming to onmaths.com or clicking the link in the description. You can access all our A-level papers and predictions for free, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger A-level course that you can follow along with us at onmaths.com.